Welcome to Easy Dropshipping. Are you always worrying about sourcing winning product? No worry anymore, that's our department. Okay, let's see what we've got today.
Get ready for the most epic battle ever with the incredible Balloon Bots. Have fun and challenge your friends to victory. Fight to pop your opponent's balloon. In Balloon Bot Battle, no one is saved by the bell. New Balloon Bot Battle.
This one over here is for the Ultra. You see how it just has nothing around the edge, no outer openings or anything of that nature? Whereas this one over here has a little cutout on the side to go over the Duo and the Duo Plus release valves. So they have a little nozzle here. So what we do is we just sit it on top just like this, and then we put it in sealing position. Just be careful when you put the Ultra size one on top. Don't push it down too hard, or the Ultra little nozzle here is going to really want to stick inside. It's going to be a little bit of a grapple to pull it out. It won't get stuck in there per se. You'll definitely have to pry it out. So just lightly put it on top of the nozzle. Don't press down hard. But just put this on top of the valve here, and it can be in any direction.
If you're looking for men's bomber hats, here's a collection you've got to see.
Our company have served more than 3,000 dropshippers and have our own winning products sourcing team. If you want to get more winning products, follow us right now. Let's make money together.